Hello my lovies and welcome back to my channel. I am Miss Dee and I am here with a couple of tips, tricks, and life hacks for you. This particular one, I have been steaming my clothes for quite a long time now. I haven't actually owned an iron for a while and I don't own a ironing board either. So I have chosen to go with the steamer, and I just believe that a steamer just, I don't know, it keeps it just that little bit cleaner somehow for me in my head, who knows. But this particular one that I have is by Connaught and I love it. The only complaint that I have is that it does not raise tall enough for me, especially when I am working with a jumpsuit such as this one here. This is super long, and as soon as I put it onto this machine, it touches the floor, and I don't like my clothes touching the floor. I know, first world problems, right guys? But I've got some maxi dresses that I like to keep looking crisp and fresh and whatnot as well. So what I have actually implemented is this backdrop rack that I have been using for the backdrop, to hold my backdrop during some of my YouTube videos, for instance my bartending or even sometimes my cooking videos. I like to kind of close off the noise in behind me and make sure that it is just a clear view for you and that you enjoy it just that little bit more. I wish that I had a better backdrop here today, but this is what it is, and for the purpose of this video, that's what it's got to be. But and the name of this video is Use What You've Got, and that is something that a lady by the name of Bethany Frankel said in one of her books. She's written a number of books. She's also the creator of Skinny Girl, so she's got Skinny Girl Margaritas, Skinny Girl Cosmopolitan, Skinny Girl Wine, Skinny Girl Food, and then she's also come out with the Skinny Girl Jeans. The woman is just absolutely brilliant when it comes to business, and that is the reason that I watch her so closely. And right, so yeah, use what you've got, guys. And keeping with that, that whole thought process, I want to show you this clothing space saver. I think that's what a closet space saver, I think that's what it's called. I will give the name up above in my video here, and then I'll also give the Amazon link down below in my description box. But okay, so basically how this works is you just take your hangers and hang your clothing up on each of the successive hooks there, and so then that just lays everything flat against each other and saves a lot of space in your closet. Now, if you do not have, if you are running on a budget, what I'm going to suggest, this is a little life hack or a life tip. On a beer can or soda pop can, these little tabs that are meant to hold your straw once you open it, what I like to do is take these and place one over top of the hanger top or a hanger head, and then go ahead and hang the next piece of clothing right there. So again, it's giving you exactly the same as what I just shown you with the more advanced style, the closet savers, but this will be a closet saver for you as well. And this is so inexpensive. It's just a recycling idea, and I hope that it helps you guys with either idea, really. So thank you so much for joining me today and spending a little bit of your weekend or week with me. I appreciate it so much. Follow me on Snapchat, on Twitter, on Facebook, and on Instagram. And if you are not a subscriber already, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell right beside. That will let you know the next time I upload a video. Give me a great big thumbs up. That will help me so much. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.